Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a technology logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo section next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the technology logo option. Just select template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, click to the text box and click to the edit button, and new go to the keyboard icon and delete the text and write your text, and if you finish just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text just click to the color section and here just select another color. In the shadow section you can add shadows to your project. If you want to add pictures or graphic elements to your project, go to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can select pictures from your device. In the doodle section select a color and new you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find different elements. For example, just click to the light and new you can add lights to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.